Reinforced earthworks consist of closely compacted layers of suitable granular fill material and geosynthetic reinforcement, usually geogrids. Before starting installation, prepare a suitably smooth excavated base of uniform depth. All loose material should be removed from the area. In order to remove any water infiltration, a drainage system may be installed at the excavated face. Vertical drainage is obtained with geocomposites such as Q-Drain, which disposes of water through drainage pipes. The first operation is to place metal formworks, a metal mesh preformed to the appropriate inclination. The formwork should be properly aligned, positioned with a 10 cm overlap and connected together by means of plastic or wire ties. If necessary, the formwork can be fixed with U-shaped anchor pegs. To avoid the loss of topsoil in the first metre from the face, an erosion control mat should be installed between the metal formwork and the geogrid reinforcement. As an alternative, a biodegradable jute net may be used. TEMA recommends the use of 4 specific types of erosion control mat. K-Mat F Grass, synthetic geomat bonded to a biodegradable pre-seeded geotextile for good grass growth without mulching. K-Mat FG Green, glass fibre net with a high melting point. K-Mat F, synthetic geomat for durability. K-Mat FA, a mulching film for insertion of fine cuttings that retard weed growth. X-Grid geogrids are supplied in rolls which are cut to size according to project specifications on site. Once positioned horizontally with at least a 15 cm overlap, X-Grid must be anchored to the inclined face of the metal formwork using plastic or wire ties, with the remaining portion being folded over the top of the formwork. To prevent accidental damage of geogrids, it is recommended that the top of the formwork be protected with a simple rubber profile or similar. In this video, K-Mat FA itself is the protection. Once the geogrids are installed, tie rods are installed at 30 cm spaces to increase the rigidity of the formwork face and to enable suitable compaction within 1 metre of the face. In the first metre behind the face, it is recommended to fill with topsoil to encourage the growth of vegetation. The thickness of the backfill of the layer may vary from a minimum of 30 cm to a maximum of 80 cm in accord with project specifications. To avoid damaging the frontal components, it is advisable to use a vibrocompactor or vibrating plate within the first metre from the face. For the rest of the reinforced area, a suitable vibro roller can be used. Compaction must attain at least 95% of the standard Proctor value. Once the filling of the course has been terminated, the geogrid must be brought back over and inside the formwork from its external temporary position and be anchored with U-shaped metal staples. Proceed as above until the specified number of courses have been completed.